this direction now, switching directions. I really don't do too much going that way, Supine, because if I have the gastrocs and the soleus, I got a lot of muscle to work with. Here, if I focus on these muscles here, I'm at the edge of the table. But this will prolong your treatment.
Right.
Once you see me start to isolate muscles, that's a different treatment. That's advanced.
Right. It's like an hour.
Deep tissue. That's not Swedish. If you guys were in the spa, you were doing the 60-minute Swedish, you won't even have time to do this.
Right.
You just be bam, bam, here. And then you would be moving on. See how I'm not pulling it out. I'm moving on to the next body part. You wouldn't even have time to get in and work the patella and do this. But that's another treatment on the menu. That's like deep tissue, neuromuscular. That's more expensive, right? All right, so as you see, that's the quads. Now you see what I have with the arm. With the arm, the simple tuck with that is right here. Just make sure you're not compressing the breast tissue, especially in the supine position. The breast tissue comes off to the side. So you have access to the arm here. Whatever side you're not using, you can have it underneath the sheet or over the sheet. It's the preference of the person receiving the massage. But the arm, now it should allow you to do like a handshake. And you'll see why that handshake is going to come into handy when it comes time to strip. Oh, you got nice. I'm going to work on this. How long ago was this?
7 years.
Oh, perfect. I'm going to do some scar tissue release on that.
Thank you.
So, and that there too. Yeah, any scar tissue you guys got, let me know. All right, so you'll see how this will come in handy once it comes time to work, strip these tissues. All right. So remember, at the wrist, you got pronation, supination.
Mm-hmm.
So I can strip, and then you guys are gonna learn how to work in the hand and do stuff on the hand as well. All right. But for tonight, it's just a simple effleurage. Is that David?
No.
David. Nobody.
So the reason why this comes in handy to stabilize with one hand and do the other, because once I use both, I'm jamming her.
Yeah.
I'm jamming her with that shoulder. So, and that's what I watch when I evaluate you guys. So if I'm here, you see what's happening?
Yeah.
You see what's happening?
Shoulder protractor. Right?
Yeah. But now I'm here. I don't have to hold it, but I can. What's happening to that shoulder?
Stay in position. Yeah.
Well, this would be the effleurage here. And then you may transition that to a pet massage here. And then if you have to bring the arms out, all right, you got single hand pet massage. And then there's a bunch of stuff we'll be working on, to loosen up those fibers, all right? And then also with this, but you see here, once I have this lower hand off, you see I'm jamming. So I tend to like to get my effleurage out the way with this. And here, more than likely, you guys are gonna warm up here. You're gonna get here, strip. Then you guys are gonna get to the hands, work the fingers, all right? And then if you have time, you guys are gonna do something here. All right. So also in the supine position, so we address the legs, the arms, which you guys are gonna be working on tonight. Obviously, you would get the scalpel there. Once we get to the neck, no jewelry on when we're doing the massage. This is the only point